Hi everyone, in this video I am going to explain how to download and install the MySQL database. Okay, see, first go to the Google, just type MySQL download, then it will show that official website MySQL downloads. Here, go to that MySQL community downloads, GPL downloads, click on that, then it will redirect to the downloads page. See here, MySQL installer for Windows option is there. Click on this. Then it will show. So what is the version you want and what is the operating system, everything. And here it is, you need to download this one. Okay, MSI installer, just click on download. Then it will ask login, sign up. No thanks, just start my download. Once you click on this, then download will start automatically. It is in process. Once download has been completed, then we will start installing process. See, once the download has been completed, just click on that installer file. Okay, go to the downloads, that recent downloads it is showing. Just once you click on that one, then automatically the download process will start. See here it is showing that preparing to install. When it is asking you to continue, yes, click on yes button. Then automatically, right, it will configure everything. Just it is launching that MySQL installer. And this MySQL product also from Oracle Corporation only. See, server only, client only, custom, everything. Installs all included MySQL products. Just click on full next. Right here it is what all the things required. It will collect. Click on the first one, MySQL server. Execute it first. Execute. Then it will show the downloading process here, that status and everything. Right, next it is installing. I agree. If something which is not which is important to set up this, see, installation is going on. Once it is completed, see, installation all done. Just click on next. Then here to again one by one. First one, execute like this. Then it is start installing. Everyone, one by one, we need to execute like this. The second one, first one completed, second one. MySQL server, MySQL workbench, MySQL shell. See how to work with all these are. We'll see whenever we are developing the applications using any programming language, suppose like Java. Okay, it is installing one by one. Once all executed completely, then we just make it finish. Okay, see here, installing one by one. It will take some time to install. See, when it is showing that status all completed, then click on next. Right here it is. Click on next. Ready to configure means, see, remember that the default port number where the MySQL runs means what is a 3306. Please remember this. This is important. Click on next. And here it is, use a strong password encryption for authentication. Yes, click on next. Set the password, MySQL root password. Root password means what? Root account this is. Username is root and password you can set anything. Suppose admin. Simple name I am giving admin. That is, of course, it is showing that week, but we are not storing any credentials and all, a normal practice only. So that use the simple one and just click on next. Next. See here, whenever it is executing one by one, let it execute, initializing the database, updating the permission, starting the server, applying security settings and everything. Right, with this one we can finish. See, once just you click on that finish, then execution completed. See, again it is showing all the things but not required. Just click on the cancel. Are you sure you want to cancel adding the products means what? Yes. This is just here it is. You can open by searching MySQL command line client you can open, and workbench also you can open. Here it is a password admin you can give, then automatically it will connect. Here you can check how to work with the MySQL database commands and everything. I'll explain in the another video. Hope you understood how to install. Please install and practice. Thank you.